On July 9th, 2022, I set out from San Diego. My first stop was the old San Diego and see how the city looked like during its early days. I continued my trip refreshed and ready to ride back home around 2,500 miles away. The desert was quite exhausting and I had to take frequent breaks. I was so close to Mexico, I even started getting cell signals from that country. One of the highlights of my trip was visiting the Coronado. It's a beautiful location. Known for its long shoreline, I made my way to the Embarcadero Marina Park, where I enjoyed the beautiful views of the marina and the boats docked there. I then moved on to the Gaslamp Quarter, which is known for its historic architecture and vibrant nightlife. Thank you.